Hello foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making this refreshing watermelon popsicle sticks. Now one thing you should know is this is so easy to make. With 4 ingredients you're good to go. It's a sneaky way to get your kids eat fruits with and also take yogurt. Watermelon is 92% water, which will help you to stay hydrated. Now these are the little ingredients you just need. You need your lemon juice, you need yogurt, sugar, watermelon. You can replace your sugar with honey. So now we're going to transfer your watermelon to a blender, add in your sugar, add in your lemon juice, add in your yogurt. I don't want any part of that yogurt to waste, so I squeeze it in. So now we're going to blend it. Now we're going to blend it when we get a smooth puree, transfer it to your popsicle molds. After transferring this, you just want to keep this in the freezer. You want to freeze it for 6 hours. Now, within a few minutes, you're done making it. It's so fun to make. It's so fun to watch. When you have kids around, you want to try this. Have a snacks. You can just sit down and snack on this on your couch. It's so hydrating. Watermelon contains water and it helps. So transfer this to the freezer. I didn't want the rest to waste. I transferred to disposable cups. I'll also be putting this in my freezer. So I personally had to take out of this, yes, because it's healthier and cheaper than the store-bought ice creams and popsicles. So you're just going to go ahead, run this through warm water, so you can easily remove them from the popsicle molds. Yes, run this through warm water for a few seconds. Please don't leave it there for long so it doesn't start melting out. So when you're done, you transfer it to your plate, or you can leave them in the mold if you need to snack. Like if you need to keep it out for a longer time. Now I transferred it to the mold. Now after this, I'm going to show you how to make watermelon face mask. It's very good for your face. It keeps your skin hydrated. It keeps your skin moisturized, and it's so refreshing. So I'm just going to walk you through the little things you need. Just your watermelon, honey, and yogurt. Simple. Blend this in, and you can just apply on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. You wash it off, and your face is totally moisturized. Thank you for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this summer treat, like this video, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.